What's good to your nose book and I'm back with them today. I'm gonna be trying this Cinnamon Toast Crunch iced coffee made with Donna. I'm making a video. Made with Victor Adams. Donna.
I'm about to run somebody on.
So yeah, I just got this from Dollar Tree.
What is it?
Donna!
You said you got something from Dollar Tree.
It's this. This is what?
Oh, that same Oh my gosh.
So, I'm finna try it for the first time. Make sure you got electric from that bell should be for me. And here I go.
Oh, look at the dog saying bread.
Trying to shut up.
It smells like
Oh, that's so good.
That make me a disappointment for Reese's. Nobody comes to mind.
Oh yeah, this is not a 10 out of 10. This is definitely
This is good.
1,000 out of 10.
Well, I was gonna say.
1,000 out of 10. So first it actually had chilling to a crunch and it like crunch up. And it's like iced coffee, so but a little warm, so it's definitely 1,000 out of 10. Make sure you go try this, go to Dollar Tree, get this. Like, subscribe, that bell. Peace out.